Inside this factory, thousands of operations take place behind these very secure walls. Robots work with accuracy, assembling advanced fighter jets speed of sound. The world's most advanced combat aircraft begins its journey inside one of the most secure manufacturing facilities ever built. Every component entering this factory is tracked, inspected, and protected under strict security protocols. Millions of precision operations will eventually create a single aircraft. Critical structural components rely on titanium to withstand extreme temperatures and enormous mechanical stress. Composite materials provide unmatched strength while dramatically reducing overall aircraft weight.
Every shipment is verified before production begins.
Every individual part receives complete digital traceability.
Digital engineering determines every cut before machines begin operating.
These precision machines shape critical structural components. They operate with micron accuracy. Large aluminum blocks gradually become lightweight structural frames. Titanium requires slower machining to maintain exceptional dimensional accuracy. Automated fastening systems secure the airframe with exceptional consistency and accuracy. Every hole is positioned within microscopic tolerances to ensure structural integrity. Strong yet lightweight wing structures are engineered to withstand tremendous aerodynamic forces.
Advanced bonding techniques create seamless composite structures.
Holding at 020. The aircraft's iconic silhouette finally begins to emerge.
All systems aligned, proceed to lock. Lifts engaging. Sync sequence active. Alignment confirmed on grid green.
The aircraft's iconic silhouette finally begins to emerge.
Hydraulic systems provide the force required to control flight surfaces.
Complex internal systems are installed long before exterior panels are sealed. Kilometers of wiring connect every critical system throughout the aircraft. Mission computers become the aircraft's electronic brain.
Sophisticated sensors are integrated with microscopic accuracy.
The cockpit combines advanced technology with ergonomic precision. The cockpit combines advanced technology with ergonomic precision. Crystal clear visibility is essential for every mission. Every safety component is installed with uncompromising precision. These powerful structures must absorb enormous landing forces. The aircraft's most powerful component is finally ready for installation. Extreme precision is required to integrate the propulsion system. Automation minimizes downtime and maintains consistent production quality. Every surface is verified before moving to the next manufacturing stage.
Composite materials are cut according to exact digital templates.
Each layer contributes to the aircraft's exceptional structural performance. Vacuum pressure removes trapped air and ensures perfect bonding. Extreme heat and pressure permanently strengthen composite structures. The raw materials are now becoming recognizable aircraft structures. The aircraft begins to take shape. Major structural sections are aligned with extreme precision. Thousands of precision-made components are ready to become one of the world's most advanced fighter aircraft. Precision-engineered exhaust components optimize thrust and performance. Every surface is prepared for advanced protective finishes. After thousands of precision operations, the aircraft is ready for its final integration and quality verification. Carefully controlled conditions allow every protective layer to cure evenly. After thousands of precision operations, the aircraft is ready for its final integration and quality verification. The completed airframe is meticulously cleaned before receiving its specialized protective finish.
Automated systems ensure every surface receives a uniform application. Even the smallest surface variation is identified before final approval. Every moving surface must respond with exceptional precision.
Thousands of electronic systems are synchronized before testing begins. The cockpit undergoes comprehensive functional verification. Hydraulic performance is verified under simulated operational loads.
Following every flight, engineers carefully inspect every major system.
The final finishing touches prepare the aircraft for official delivery. After exhaustive manufacturing and testing, the aircraft is ready for operational service.
From raw aerospace materials to one of the world's most advanced fighter aircraft, every stage reflects extraordinary engineering precision.
Preparations begin for the aircraft's first engine run.
All sensors are active.
Every movement is measured to ensure flawless operation.
Critical fuel systems are tested before the engine is activated.
After thousands of precision manufacturing steps, the aircraft is finally ready for flight testing.
A comprehensive inspection confirms the aircraft meets its exact manufacturing standards.
Performance data is collected across multiple operating conditions.
Final system confirmations are completed. The aircraft accelerates for takeoff.
Every flight control surface responds with precise, synchronized movement. The aircraft begins its first movement under its own power, as every system is closely monitored. The journey from raw materials to flight-ready aircraft is complete, showcasing the precision, innovation, and craftsmanship behind modern aerospace manufacturing. Test flights verify stability, responsiveness, and overall aircraft performance.